Throughout your life, you will be making big decisions, buying and selling homes as times go by. We want to partner with you to help you achieve your goals and make sure by making you our top priority. Life is busy, it can get chaotic, and that's where we come in. It is our absolute pleasure to transform what could be a difficult transaction into a wonderful experience you'll be happy about. Real estate is all we do. We are experts in our field and take our jobs very seriously. Our reputation means everything to us, which is why we are so passionate about making sure our clients are satisfied and looking after all of your needs. Handling such a big investment is an equally big responsibility. We welcome the responsibility because it's our pleasure to help people get what they want. Our clients can rely on us because they trust us. We follow through, we listen, we understand. The real estate industry is ever changing, and we change along with it, keeping up to date on all the technology and trends. Our advertising is premium. We show homes in their absolute best possible light. All of this goes back to what we never lose focus of, you, the customer. We want your experience to be stress-free and something they actually enjoy in the end. We can't wait to prove why we are the best in the area and want to serve your real estate needs now and for the years to come. We put all of our focus and energy into customers because for us, a good relationship lasts a lifetime.